What am I doing? All right, we gotta cook him with the prep now. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, all right, what do we play? Did we play bishop b5? No, let's go here. All right, I'm gonna hit him with the goodies. I've been grinding this. This is the upcoming repertoire right here. We come here. Wow, that is actually that is a very decent move, I think. Knight d7 is one of the moves. I'm shocked he knew that. I mean, this is like, it's been played like once. That's really, really bad though, I think. I'm gonna sack this. Takes. What made me want to create a YouTube channel? Am I getting paid for this interview? I'm just at a... is this a paid interview or what are we doing here? No? I see. Looks like I'm having a bad day. I'm not having a bad day. Did I get paid for the Wired interview? Yeah, they paid me $35,000 for that interview. It was a little less. Do I get paid to go on podcast? Lex Fridman gave me $35,000, yes. My appearance fee is $35,000 flat. Yeah. I may or may not be lying, but yeah. I saw he has e5, but I just assumed it doesn't work, so. Queen d4, e5. Okay, let's take. The last game was very bad. Does my wife pay me that? Well, that's a very stupid question. I mean, she's not interviewing me, so no, and I just literally told you it's for paid media appearances, so that's a very bad question. You have to do better. That's a bad question. E5 here, rook h. Okay, that doesn't look very good either. I am not impressed with this gentleman's play. I said he was good, but I mostly wanted to say something nice about another person. But I'm not impressed with his play. Sorry. I mean, last game he got very lucky because I'm very bad. He has this, right? Does that actually work? I don't believe it. He looks like he's a teenager. I mean, I'm allowed to trash talk. I didn't say anything. I just said I'm not impressed with his performance. Okay. Ooh. Wow. That's a creative move. Should I sack my rook? Active king. This does not look kosher for me. Another game of me playing far too slowly. Like, I just need to speed up a little bit. I have bad news, guys. I will be losing this game. I officially have lost my confidence, and I only have 20 seconds on the clock, so yeah, it's over. I'm still not impressed with his play. Unfortunately, I'm simply just playing worse. And yeah, when you play worse, you lose games. That is how that works. Yep. Playing too slowly. But yeah, I'm still unfortunately not impressed. I want to see how big my advantage was before I... No, I don't want to see anything, actually. Yeah. Okay. While we do that, let's go take a look at how good our position was before we decided to blunder everything. That was bad. It was +8. Wow. Just queenie. I mean, that is crazy to not play that. +9. Yeah, I'm just not playing good. Like, what am I doing? I mean, I'm just +9. Like, what? What is wrong with me? Just +9. That's okay. It's a culmination of all my life's failures right there. It's nothing new. Do I have chess.com premium? Of course. My one-stop destination for getting better at chess. How much can I bench? 250 pounds. I surpassed the Boat Test viewers in stream? I don't care. But thank you, I guess. Thanks for letting me know. Okay. Am I losing or winning? I don't know. Okay, with no queens on, I can't lose. So let's trade the queens. Is Kasparov my favorite player? No, I'm my favorite player. Why would Kasparov be my favorite player? Ah, check this out. This is very funny. You think he'll see that? That's really humorous. What a crisscross. Huh? Look at that. That's incredible. I'm a lot colder than you thought? I'm not cold. It's like 70 degrees in my house. Bishop F1. I mean, come on. This is epic. Bishop F1. It's like the most gangster move. Look at Bishop F1. I deserve to win. He should just resign. Like, I should just win for the move Bishop F1. I don't even know if it's a good move. It's just hilarious. Like, oh, he wants me to take him. Oh, very interesting. Oh, I see. He wants me to take because he has like a big attack or something. I don't know. Well, what if I don't want to take? Do I need my bishop for defensive purposes? Ay. This is so stupid. All right, I'm gonna come back. Remember, all I want in life is a queen trade. All right. I'm like a good little draw machine. I just need queen b3 in my life. He has knight g6. I don't think it does anything. He can like sack everything. I don't know. What? That's check, bro. That's check, crack. What? No. Resign. Thank you. Next game. No. Come on. Thank you very much.